So I bought this drill on Lidl's for £20. Yeah, it's quite cheap, and it's got quite a good feature on there, as you can see. And I noticed that no one else has done a video on this. I think there is a video on this drill, but it's not in English, so I guess I'll be the first one reviewing this in English. And for £20, can't go wrong, but time will tell if it's any good and if it lasts. Alright, let's get this open. Yeah, that will save a lot of time, a lot of effort. We're doing certain things. Right, so there it is. It's in the box. Drill, of course, is rested there. Get one bit. What's that? That's a Phillips bit there. Number 2 it looks like. And a booklet. That's it. Let's get rid of that box. There's some instructions. I'll read it later. And it's never useless to read instructions, because you never know. You always learn something new by reading them, because you might just find out a feature on there that you don't know about, so it's worth a read. So here's the drill. Feels quite heavy, it feels well made. So rubber sort of handle there, rubber grip, rubber hair as well. So when you drop it, I guess it ain't gonna crack. There's the cover to change the brushes. Got quite a long power cord there, quite long. So we've got 2 speeds there. We've also got the locking function, the hold function. You press that, it holds it. Press it again, unlocks it. So the reason why I bought this drill really is because it's cheap, and because of this feature. Look, as you can see in the box, pull that comes out. Then I'm going to open this and put this bit inside it. And there you go. And I don't know, will that go back in? Nah, it won't. So you got to take that off to put the drill attachment back on. What is that in there? I think it's, yeah, it's a magnet. The magnet's not very strong though compared to other ones I've handled. It holds it, it's not the strongest magnet, but I guess it will do. So there's no hammer action on this drill. There's no hammer. For drilling only. Yeah, I've got a battery powered drill already, but you know how it is. Sometimes you just need a power drill, you know. Sometimes you can't always depend on battery powered tools, especially when you're drilling into something that's quite thick. So here it goes. This is the first time I'll be plugging this in. There it goes. Wish me good luck. It's a 3mm drill bit I just put in there. So this metal bowl, yeah, it's for cooking. I bought it, yeah, to wash and season meat. It's quite a big bowl, you know, as you can see it's quite big. Much bigger than the ones you get in like a normal supermarket. I bought this from Wing Yip. If you don't know, Wing Yip is like a Chinese wholesale sort of supermarket. It's where all like the Chinese takeaways get all their stock from. This is a massive bowl. This bowl costs £5. But the thing is, a colander, the same size, the colander is actually £15. I don't know why it costs so much more. All it's got in it is a few holes. So what I've done is I bought another bowl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes in it to turn it into a colander, save myself some money. So that's what we're going to do now. So after I wash my meat, I can put the meat in here and all the water will drain out. So we're going to test this drill by drilling a couple of holes in it. It's quite thin metal anyway, it should go straight through. What I've done is I've centre punched all the holes as well so it doesn't skid around. Let's just start it off. That's the first hole, went for easy. Alright, so last hole. Done the job, simple task really. That's all I want to drill for really. I'm not a builder or anything like that. The simple tasks like that, you know. Simple mods around the house. So we're going to do now. There's some burrs on there. We're going to take the burrs off so I don't end up scratching my table. Using this. We also bought this grinder some time ago on Lidl as well, but probably have to make a separate video on that. And look, it's got the wand that comes out the side, you see? So that's what we're going to use. Take the burrs off on the holes we just drilled.